Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is a Tuesday today. I am currently at my job, my babysitting job. And this morning I just got up. I got up early actually, but I got up, got my lemon water ready. I headed over to the gym. Then got out of the gym and came here. And now we're here. I babysit today from 8 to 3:30. I'm currently about to feed Sophia. The dishwasher is going on, so that's what you hear in the background. But this is kind of, this is what I do on my work days because for work I babysit. But it's also kind of like I always end up feeling like a mom by the end of this. This is what it is. Also, I didn't have time to do my makeup at the gym. I just showered because I was running late. I was supposed to be at the gym by 7. No, I was supposed to be at the gym at 6 so that at 7 I could get ready and shower and get ready and stuff. Get ready and stuff and then leave the gym at 7:30. But that did not happen. I got at the gym like at 6:30 and then I worked out for an hour and then went to go shower. Did not have time to do my makeup, so I brought my makeup bag with me in here and I'll probably do it later on. I'll tell you what I like to put on my face. Right now I just have moisturizer on and that's about it. I just warmed up her milk, and so I'm gonna feed her real quick. First she's having cereal and then she'll have her milk. Right now she's just playing on her mat while I was like putting some dishes in the dishwasher. I was at the gym and I mean, can I be any clumsier? I was at one of the, and keep in mind this is like my first day officially back. Like I hadn't gone to the gym in like 2 weeks or something like that. And so I was trying one of their new machines that they have. And I've seen this before because at my old gym they had this, but it's like I had never seen it at this new gym, and I was trying it out and I nearly fell, and there was like a really hot guy standing near me, and that was just kind of embarrassing, honestly. Like, I'm sorry. You wanna see yourself? Is that you? Is it you? You want some cereal? You want to put this one on? Let's put your bib on. Oh my god, your hair looks crazy. I usually change her. I usually change her after she takes her first nap with me. Then I'll get her ready for the day. But for the morning, I mean, it's 8:25. I like her to be comfortable. That's why your hair looks so crazy right now, huh? But tell them I'm gonna be a little prettier in a minute. She is hungry. I actually started watching the show When They See Us on Netflix. It's about this case that actually happened that took place in 1989, I think. I never heard of this case, but I actually looked it up, and it was the same. It was a group of like 5 kids getting accused of, I just dropped all of that, getting accused of rape, and they were all like, one was 14 years old, and then the other 3 were 15, and there was one that was 16 that got charged as an adult, and they didn't do anything. They just got blamed for it by the state because they wanted to like get someone that was responsible for the girl's rape. That show is just so emotional. Like, after I watch one of those episodes, I just feel so drained. Like, talking about it makes me want to cry. I'm on the last episode. I'm gonna watch it today. While I make my breakfast, I have Sophia drinking her bottle, and this is the time where she'll watch her cartoons just while she drinks her bottle in the morning. So this is my breakfast. I then just take my breakfast to where Sophia is and we eat breakfast together. She still hasn't finished her bottle. It takes her kind of a while. I think this is like super zoomed in. Yep, it was. So it takes her kind of a while to finish her bottle. So I just go eat my breakfast right next to her. So that's what we're gonna do. I just filmed my summer makeup routine, and now I have a good face of makeup on, but I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made. And Sophia's still sleeping. I was able to do this while she was napping. And I swear, like, I put her down to nap, and the maintenance guy came saying he needed to fix something in the shower, and he like pounded at the door, so it scared her and woke her up. And I had just put her down, so it's like she wasn't in full sleep to like not hear it. She was kind of like still in and out of sleep because I had just put her down. And so him knocking on the door woke her up, and I was just so upset about it. And then he's scared of Shaw, the dog that they have. He's like, oh, can you like tie her up? I'm just like really scared of her. And it's like a big guy, so I was like, okay. I was like, sure. So I let her out onto the porch. And so she kept barking, so I had to go get Sophia, and I tried to like put her back to sleep, and she wouldn't. So then I like rocked her, and then the guy's like, oh, I need to go get tools. So he left, and he wasn't coming back because I was like, okay, I'll just put her down again like after he has finished fixing the shower. No, he left to get some tools or something, and then I was just like, oh my god, when is he coming back? So then he finally comes back, and I was like, okay. He's like, oh, I'm almost finished, it shouldn't take long. So I was like, okay. So I went to the room and tried to like put her to sleep. I like held her for a little bit because I feel like she's not feeling that well. She has a lot of like congestion and stuff. So I like held her for a little bit and then put her to sleep, and she knocked out. Like, she's so asleep. But I just thought it was so funny that the guy was like, you know, I'm really scared of this dog because I've come other times and he's wanted to bite me. And I'm like, okay, Shaw has never done that. And if she did that, maybe you provoked her or something. I don't know. Let's not point fingers, but I just thought it was so funny. Maybe I'm talking too loud because she just kind of moved. While she's still napping, I'm gonna edit the summer makeup routine so that I can upload that today, hopefully, and then have this vlog up tomorrow. So we'll see how that plays out. So let me disconnect this. She looks so cute in her outfit. Sophia! Looks so cute. Anyway, let's go. I ended up going to get an acai bowl. It has peanut butter, strawberries, granola, banana, and I believe honey on it. And then she's also having lunch, that appetizing food. I just got back from babysitting. She got home a little bit late, so it's actually 4 o'clock already, and I'm so tired. But I really want to get shit done. Like, I just don't want to be lazy, but I want to take a nap at the same time. I mopped and swept my floor yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I think, so I don't have to do that today. But I do have to put my clothes away. So let's just get to this because I literally have all my clothes here. These are all the clothes that I have to put away that are clean. And then these are clean too. And then this is just the makeup bag that I was carrying with me. And I bought some stuff from Francesca's. Okay, I just finished cleaning my room, swept and mopped and everything. Made my bed, cleaned up over there. Just this down here, just kind of ignore that. That's my backpack for tomorrow. And then these are like, I won't show you, but they're just like things with my addresses and stuff. All my mail with my addresses that I have to shred. And then my desk is finally clean. I also ordered these for the baby, and they're so cute. Okay, I started painting, and just painting like the, you know, the hard part, which is like the lines and stuff. And I taped this tile because I kind of messed up there. And I painted this side too. And let's just say that I'm regretting this already. I'm so tired, and I'm already tired and want to give up and tell my dad to finish it because I just don't feel like doing it. But I want to get like some walls done, but there's just so much more detailing to do. Like, those are hard. Like this part, like that, although it doesn't look like much, takes a long time because you can't get it on the ceiling. So working on it, but it's tiring. I showered and